Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a password on two steps verification on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and now click privacy and security, and now here you find this two-step verification, and here set a password, and now set your password and click here, and that's it. That's how to set password on two-step verification settings, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.